over so we could see a little bit better. Yeah. One of the horsies is helping me. Okay, you better eat quick. I think the food's here. Oh. Well, where did you two put the food? Yup. So, we're eating in here. And I can't see. I can't see, so if I passed over him, I passed over him. Okay, we'll start when we see him fly.